Always running out of battery while playing your mobile games? This Realme C3 might be your solution.
Sawadee krap and sabadi Minecraft. So are you a gamer that wants a gaming phone but with a tight budget like me? Never mind, I got your back with this Realme C3. So what's about this phone? Let's cue to the intro. So welcome back, and now let's do my favorite part of the show. Gosh, isn't it fun to unwrap a phone? Okay, so now let's open up the box and let's take a look inside. We have the menu, the phone itself, and also the charging dock and a micro USB cable. So, box katapi. Now, let's unwrap the phone. So now let's talk about the design. The Realme C3 has a pretty much similar design to the previous Realme 5i, which uses a rough fingerprint-like texture on the back cover, and it's called the sunrise design. And the good thing I like about the design is that it is not a fingerprint magnet, so you can just rub it, but you don't have any fingerprint on it. So now, on the bottom, it has a audio jack, a micro USB socket, and also the speaker grill. And on the side, it has the volume rocker and also the hybrid SIM slot. So now, let's look into the front. The front, you have a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with 89.8 body to screen ratio. This is pretty good for a moviegoer or gamers. Speaking about gaming, this Realme C3 is really a gaming phone for you because it uses the world first MTK MediaTek Helio G70 12nm chipset, which can clock up the speed up to 2 GHz, and this will lower the latency and give you more stable gaming performance. And the best part is the Realme C3 is equipped with the display latency optimization from the MediaTek Helio G70 chipset that gives you more accurate and faster response during your gaming. Next, the battery. For those of you who wants to use this phone as your official gaming phone, battery is really an essential for you, especially for the battery life. So the Realme C3 is having a 5000 mAh battery capacity, which Realme states that this phone can last up to 20 hours of movie playback and up to 10 hours of PUBG gaming. Lastly, the camera. The Realme C3 is having a triple rear camera setup, which has a 12 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel portrait lens, and also 2 megapixel macro lens. And on the front, it has a 5 megapixel AI selfie camera. So here are the picture samples. So overall, I feel that for an entry phone with the gaming feature, this phone is really something different to look out for, and this phone comes with two color variants, which is the blazing red and also the frozen blue for you to choose. So be sure to stay tuned for the coming launch, and that's all for today. As usual, do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates. I'm Joshua C. See you next time.